Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Crypto or Die. This is Aaron here, and tonight we're doing a little unboxing of this really cool gimbal I just got by Osmo, the DJI. So check it out. Here it comes. Alright, so then create magnetic moments. That's cool. Here we have the two ways to attach it to your phone, the little magnetic clip, and then this guy here. This, I believe, is the tripod, or the holder for it, Osmo. The ring pop socket, which on the finger there. Okay. And inside, magnetic sticker, and instructions, quick start guide. Holder, wrist strap, I guess I should say wrist strap. That's all that's in there. And, okay, so we have the base here. And we have the cord here. It's another one of those. Handle. Feels good in the hand. Feels really good in the hand. And then this is what connects it to the back of the phone. Just like that. Connections here. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. Please don't forget to smash the like button. Let's get those likes up there. Let's see if we can get to like 10 likes. I said like a lot right there. Please also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Please press the bell to get notified so when I make more videos like this, you'll know. And thanks guys, thanks for hanging out. Peace.